Hi guys. Uh, I'm making this video because I couldn't find any information about whether the Takstar SGC-598 was compatible with the iPhone 8, and I'm here to tell you that it is. You just need to get a TRS to TRRS adapter. In this case, I'm using the Rode SC4. I haven't tried any other adapters, but I can tell you for sure that this one does work. So if you want to be on the safe side, go with this one. Like I said, I couldn't find any other information out there. So I could show you right here that it actually does work. For the phone, for my iPhone, I'm also using the Filmic Pro app, which I love, but I wanted to use it to show you at the bottom of the screen here, before I turn the Takstar on, there is a audio input at the bottom. You could see the green light jumping. I plugged it in and it goes to 0. Now I turn the Takstar mic on, and you can see it jumps again. I'll tap the microphone to show you that it is working. And in fact, I'm actually recording this audio using the Takstar microphone, so you can also hear the quality. I am actually really enjoying this mic, and for the price, it's unbeatable. Well, I hope this was helpful. Good luck.